Hey, Trekkie2409 here with a quick update on StarCraft's Prometheus. As you can hopefully see, I've painted it. I actually just painted it white because I already had the paint and couldn't be bothered trying to get new paint and that. And it is, while not on the episode, it's not anywhere near that light, but on Star Trek Online and on loads of pictures and everything it's that light, and I just thought I would do it like that. Apart from painting it in its 3 separate pieces, the only other thing I've done is make the panel lines and everything more noticeable, cut along them with my little X-Acto knife thing. So that they're a bit, deeper and you can actually notice them, and some were, let me see if I can find them, there they are. Like these, well, they were already there. Some were deep already and fine, but some were almost non-existent, the lines, and sorry it's not going into focus, it's just my phone. But yeah, some of the lines basically weren't there at all, and I needed to cut them especially. I've also had to get rid of all the kind of spare bits of plastic, like you get with non-resin kits, especially like where they've been stuck to the, I don't know what you'd call it, the plastic thing they get stuck in and you have to twist them out type thing. Yeah, so around the edges there was wee extra bits of plastic that I had to cut off, but there's also a bit that was there that I tried to cut off, but it was annoying. I couldn't really get off with where it is. I couldn't get the knife in properly to get it off properly, which is annoying. I also painted these wee bits. I think that's for when you have the saucer detached, and it's like that's extended, and I believe that one's for in it when it's not supposed to be at warp. That one's for when it is, and that one's for when it is, but in the hole on the top. Oh wait, yeah, sorry, this one won't be for that one, it's not at warp, it'll be for the top. So yeah. The paint didn't really want to stick to this very well. You can see all the kind of flaws on it, really. Those aren't, they're just how plastic's designed, you know. But yeah, the paint I was using was also basically empty, the spray can, so that made it tricky, but luckily I was able to squeeze enough out for it. I just need to do all the little bit of detail painting in that, but mostly what I'll be doing next is the nacelles and stuff, and then maybe the windows, but I want to do them with glow-in-the-dark paint. I think I'll do the nacelles blue and red first, and then order glow-in-the-dark paint and see and stuff, just so it's looking good as soon as possible, really. And I don't know if the glow-in-the-dark paint will really be the right daytime colour. But it should be close enough anyway. Hopefully as long as the white's roughly white that you can get as well, it'll be fine for windows and that. So yeah, that's everything. Just a quick update. Not really done much, but there's not really that much to do. There's nothing to actually glue in place, unless you count all these stuff and that, but I wouldn't glue them. I would just have them for if you change it from multi-vector assault mode and back and forth and that. But yeah, that's everything. Until next time, bye.